Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of my certified pre-owned vehicle pick of the week, the 2017 Chevy Malibu 1LT. This is a front-wheel drive vehicle that has 33,010 miles on it and has never been reported in any accidents. Apple Chevy is offering all of its customers over $2,400 in savings towards this specific Malibu. Now, when we get in this vehicle, you can see that we do have jet black cloth seating throughout the entire vehicle. When it comes to the front of this vehicle, we do have our standard dash, our brand new Chevy MyLink radio. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.